With the big breaking story right now, another setback for former Union Minister P Chidambaram, the Delhi High Court denying him bail in the INX media case. Remember, the court had reserved its decision on Friday. This after arguments on both sides. The Solicitor General Tushar Mehta telling the Delhi High Court that the CBI had outlined its objections to the Congress leader's bail plea, and the Solicitor General then describing the veteran politician as a flight risk and saying that when the accused is so powerful, his mere presence could intimidate witnesses. The High Court has clearly accepted that argument and said can't rule out that the ex-finance minister might influence witnesses. That's what's been said. Arvind joining us at this point for more on that story. Arvind, a big setback then for the former finance minister?
Yeah, Ankita, another setback for former Finance Minister P Chidambaram in INX media case. Today, the Delhi High Court has dismissed his bail plea in INX media case. In fact, he moved the Delhi High Court after the special CBI court rejected his bail plea in the CBI case. In fact, after 14 days of CBI custody, he was sent to judicial custody to Tihar jail by the special CBI court. So, challenging that order by the special CBI court, Chidambaram had moved the Delhi High Court seeking regular bail in this case. Like you said, this argument went on for a week. Chidambaram, on one hand, he argued saying that there is no case in this matter because there were no irregularities in granting FIPP clearances to INX media. In fact, all the finance ministry officials who were part of that particular decision, in fact, they also supported that decision of P Chidambaram. In fact, it was a collective decision. P Chidambaram, as the last man, as the 11th man in that hierarchy, he just ratified the recommendation of the finance ministry and also the foreign investment promotion board decision. So he said that it was not a unilateral decision, and hence he alone should not be prosecuted for this case. In fact, he also argued saying that he did not meet Indrani Mukherjee anywhere for this case in North Block. So countering this argument of P Chidambaram, senior advocate and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who appeared for CBI, he said that the finance ministry's logbook was destroyed, and when the Central Bureau of Investigation, when they probed this matter, they got some other evidence from Hotel Oberoi, and they said that P Chidambaram is a very powerful person, and if he is set free on bail, he might try to influence the witnesses. So agreeing with the contention of the CBI, today the Delhi High Court has rejected the bail plea of P Chidambaram, saying that if he is set on bail, if he is set out on bail, then he might try to influence the witnesses in this case.
Right. Arvind, just give us a sense of what now for the former finance minister P Chidambaram.
Ankita, special CBI court has also rejected his bail plea. Only after that he was sent to judicial custody. Challenging that order, P Chidambaram had moved the Delhi High Court's single bench. Today, the Delhi High Court single bench has also rejected his bail plea. Now he has two options. One, to move the division bench seeking a regular bail in this case, that is challenging this single bench order, or moving the Supreme Court challenging the single bench order.